And
oh my god!
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware.
Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another vlog. I hope y'all like that new intro. I'm out here with the homies Sebby, Adrian, and Mr. G out there. And we got all the cars out. Still waiting on Briar to come through. But, hey man, show them what we about to install.
I'm about to place coilovers right here.
Okay, okay. Hey bro, you maxing out?
Hell no.
This man won't max out, but I'm sure he's gonna go at least like no finger gap, because we are totally like beyond monster truck right now. Guys, look what this man got on. Yo, I got that on video, bro.
We did that purpose.
How you been, bro?
Happy birthday, America. How you doing, bro?
Good, good, good.
Look, I already got the radiator and stuff.
Bro, you got the wiring harness tucked in?
Yeah, I already got it tucked in.
Okay,
No, this
bro.
is just extra stuff, bro.
Yeah, it's extra stuff.
Okay, okay.
Look, Z32 fuel filter right here, bro. A little Tome.
Hey, go start it up right now, bro.
Oh.
About that.
Yeah, the thing is, it's not a gas, bro.
It's not a
Oh,
gas.
word, word. All right. Yeah. What we got cooking in the kitchen today?
We got some sausages.
All right. Some
and
sausages.
fajitas.
Okay.
And that's about it. Chillers, bro. Okay. And we're gonna get some limes. And we got, you know, beer if you're 21 years and older.
Check it out.
Oh, the Mexican kind, bro.
I've never had this before, food.
You never had this before,
Nah,
bro?
bro.
Oh, man.
About to put me on?
You finna learn something new today, bro.
I'm down.
You when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did.
Yo, we got Zay out here, you know what I'm saying? It looks something you drive, right?
Hell no.
I'm gonna just break it with my hand.
Might as well.
I mean, you're strong, bro.
It's the same thing as Brumbo.
Yeah, dude.
That's not gonna work. God dang!
You got any bigger of a wrench?
ASC certified mechanic right here.
Yeah. No, he's going the wrong way.
Did it break?
The extension's broken.
The extension or the...
Extension, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Figured that would happen.
Oh, okay, Brian.
Yeah, dude, that's a lot stronger,
guys,
bro.
Dude, that's gonna shoot the shorts off your pants.
I know, bro.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
And I'm deaf.
Oh, I've been hot.
That's it.
Oh, yeah.
almost off.
Hey, that wasn't bad at all. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, bro. Okay, bro.
This man too drunk.
Oh, look, bro.
Because doesn't he have a torque wrench? Or no?
I'm pretty sure it's not going anywhere, bro.
Look at all that play, dude.
It's because the top.
Oh yeah, true. It's not on all the way. Hey man, we'll see tomorrow when you drive it to work.
It fucking falls off.
It's not gonna fall off, bro. It's just gonna be like really bumpy.
Yeah, it's gonna feel like shit.
Yeah.
Well, let's tie the top ones up.
Yeah, for sure. All right, guys, we got the rears on now. It was a struggle lifting this up because we're both skinny dudes, but it worked out well. And now Sebby's just tightening the rears. I wasn't even supposed to get dirty today. In my opinion, I think the fronts will be freaking high, and then the rears will be
Pretty low.
like, yeah, pretty low. Not that bad, bro. Oh my god! Yo.
That still kept going.
Whoa!
What the fuck, bro?
Dude, what?
That shit went down.
Dude, that was still stock.
Dude, look.
Yo, that's pretty clean, dude. That's clean.
I
You got clearance, you're good.
need some washes, though. Like, basically,
Bro, that's clean.
that shit went down. Oh, that's in the back.
Oh my god, I was like surprised.
Oh, fuck, it's going.
Well, I'll let you know if it's about to like.
Oh my god, bro. Put it low.
No, you're good. It's perfect back here.
Oh, bro, that looks good, yo.
Yeah, it's perfect. See, I know what I'm doing, bro. You got ARTGOD
You didn't
here.
get a rub, though?
No, it shouldn't. Oh yeah, this one's gonna rub for sure.
Dude, the alignment is mad fucked up.
What do you mean?
Look how much this one sticks out.
Oh my god, yeah. You got some positive camber right there, and then this is cambered in right there.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No.
Guys, I did not know how Sebby's gonna get off the driveway. This thing's like slammed. Perfect, dude. That's perfect.
Look at feel that low.
Feels. I think it's because the rear, bro. It's like hella high up. Oh, shit.
Oh, dang.
Yeah. Alright guys, that's the end of the install. Hey bro, how do you think you did rating 1 to 2?
1 to 2?
I mean 1 to 5, my bad.
Like, 2. Pretty bad. Like, I think it looks sick, but it's too low, man.
Too low? What do you think about this job?
That was sick as fuck, bro.
That was sick. Thank you,
Yeah,
bro.
hell
I
yeah.
adjusted it.
I saw you, bro. I saw you doing that shit.
Alright guys, well that's gonna be in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I got something special coming out on Sunday. It is the anniversary of my baby. But I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Hey, cover the lens, bro. Cover the lens.